Got good whiskey gonna ease my mind. A beach towel rests on the drying line to remind you of your daddy in the 88 Ford. Labrador hanging out the passenger door. Sand from your ears blowing in my eyes. Blame it on the beach, grown men don't cry. Do you remember that beat-down basement couch? Sing to your love songs and you told me about how your mama ran off and pawned her ring. I remember everything. Cold shoulder and closing time. You're begging me to stay until the sun rose. Strange words come on down before the grown man's mouth the rainy smiles blue. Pictures and pleasant time. You only smile like that when you're drinking. I wish I didn't, but I do. Remember every moment I played with you. And so on. So I saw Fingers Again with you, hope another interesting lesson for, especially for you Zach Bryan fans out there. This one's from his new album, and it's called I Remember Everything. Okay. And doing it in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key that it is on the recording. Okay, so let's get to it. So what you heard there was basically the intro, the first verse and the first chorus, and then the instrumental interlude before the first next verse, verse 2, and then basically it just repeats another verse, and then it does, I think, another 2 choruses. But everything you need is in this demo. Okay, just basically intro, verse and chorus, and you've got everything you need. So here we go then. So the introduction starts on an A minor, and you start with the A string open and then a few strums on the A minor. It's quite a short strum, yeah? Then a quick G, however you wish to play it, that way or that way, okay? And then to a C chord. So it's when you go to the C, it's nice to play that third on the fifth, the root note before you strum the C chord, okay? So it's need to do that again. You sort of stay on the C and then you hit that root note again, a couple of strums on the C and then a quick G and back to the A minor, hitting the A string open first. Okay, so you got this. And then what happens then, if you want to get more or less what he does on his recording, he sort of does that open 4th string, hammer into the 2nd fret on the 4th string with the 2nd finger there. So it goes like on the 2nd time round it is. First time round, straightforward chords. Second time round, it does, so that's open 4th to hammer into the 2nd fret, then the G, then the C, then it does another open 4th to 2nd on the 4th hammer with that 2nd finger on the C chord. Right, so it goes, 2nd time round is, no, let's go from the beginning. So we do that hammer on the C, G, A minor, hitting the A string first. So slowly, the whole intro, the way I see it, anyway, so here we go. And then we're off into the verse, okay? And it's basically the same chords: A minor, G, C, C, G, A minor. So it comes out of that intro. Right, here we go. Rock good, who's he gonna play by mine? The beach towel is good in line. Do you remember da 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 da. Got it? Got the idea? It does that all the way through the verse. So it's A minor, G, C, C, G, A minor. So all the way. So what we'll do now is do the intro slowly, and then we'll do the first verse, okay? And then I'll show you the chorus, okay? So when you get to the end of the last line of the first verse, where it goes, I remember everything. It's like C. I remember G, every A minor thing stops on the single strum on the A minor at the end of the first verse, okay? Bit of a pause and then we're into the chorus. So anyway, let's show you the intro and first verse slowly. Okay, so here we go. What good was he gonna take on? A beach towel rests on the drying line to remind you of your daddy and his '88 Ford, the Labrador hanging on the passenger door. Sand from your hair's burning my eyes. Laying on the beach, girl, man, don't cry. Do you remember that beach down basement couch? Singing my love song when you told me about. And then I ran off to pull her ring. I remember everything. Okay, so that's the first verse. Bit of a pause and then it goes into the chorus, and the chorus is F, C, G, A minor, all the way through. But it's strumming, of course. Okay, so, and the F I'm playing, you can play a simple F, you can play a bar chord F. I tend to play a four-fingered F, or F with C in the bass. Simple F like that. Move your third finger up to the 5th string, 3rd fret, and your pinky takes over on the 4th string, 3rd fret. I just rest my thumb on the bottom E string so it mutes that bottom E string. Okay, so it comes out of that remember everything chord, cold shoulder at, so it's F to C, G to A minor, okay? Cold shoulder at closing time, begging me to stay until the sun rose. Strange words come on out, with the old man mouth is running behind words. Pictures and passing time, when you smile like that when you're drinking. I wish I didn't, but what I'll do, remember every moment that night's with you. Okay, and that's the chorus, and then it does another run through on the same chords again as the chorus. F to C to G, and it stops on the G, it doesn't go to the A minor, and then it goes back into another verse again. Okay, so let's do the chorus again. So it comes out of the remember I remember everything. Cold shoulder closing time, you're begging me to stay until the sun rose. Strange words come all out of a grown man's mouth and break my book. Pictures and passing time, you only smile like when you're drinking. I wish I didn't, but I do. Remember every moment of the night with you. And then off into another verse. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. My take on I Remember Everything from Zach Bryan's new album. Thanks very much for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.